Hello, salespersons of all makes, models, and brands. My name is Chance, and thank you so much for tuning into the 10th and final episode in our sales process series over here at the Sales Bible. Today we're going to be taking a look at saying goodbye, step 10. This step usually takes between 2 to 5 minutes. It's quite brief, but it's also incredibly important. This is essentially one of your last opportunities to truly close down the deal, reassure your customer, and make them leave feeling great. So let's get into the overall process here. So typically greet the process as soon as they leave the business office and usually ask, "Hey Lisa, how is everything with Chris?" She'll usually respond, "Things went great." Then you'll reply with, "Awesome, when were you picking up?" She'll say Monday at 2:30. You'll reply, "Awesome, I'll make sure I'm available. Was there anything else I could help you with?" And she's like, "Nope, thank you so much, Chance." And then thank her once again for her business, shake her hand one last time, and send her a text message on her way out. Text message should usually read something to the effect of, "Hey Lisa, it's Chance from Wheaton Honda. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you once again for your business. It was a pleasure working with you and getting to know you. If you have any further questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out in any way I can. Until then, however, I will see you on Monday at 2:30, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Lisa. I hope you have a great day." Usually that's probably the best way of wrapping up the conversation. It's just nice, it's solid, it's professional, and it puts you in a really good spot to keep open dialogue with them for the long haul, which in our industry is quite important. Now let's get into some actionable tips here. So the biggest tip is to just be friendly. Just be nice. They've purchased a vehicle from you. If they just deserve to be put on a pedestal at this point, so don't hesitate to put them up there. Also, jot down a few notes about them right after they leave. Just things like any kind of personal details you might have about them. Keep a book on hand, just a little customer journal, as it were, and just fill it out whenever you get an opportunity, whenever something crosses your mind. And then tip 3 is just go out there and get another customer. If you've done the previous steps correctly, your desk should be clean, you should be in a good position to accept another customer, so this is the opportunity where you want to do that. So yeah, congratulations, you've sold a car to the best of your ability. There will be a delivery step after this. Depending on how your dealership does it, you will be involved in that or you won't be. Typically, if you're not directly involved with the actual delivery of the vehicle, you'll just want to shake your customer's hand on the way out, basically rehash this step. If you are more involved with the delivery, just fill out the checklist, keep it professional, keep it brief, have a couple laughs in there, but for the most part, just do what the sheet tells you. It's not overly complicated by any stretch of the imagination. And yeah, that will be about it for this video series. Naturally, I will be doing videos on objections, foursquares, things like that in the future, so just keep an eye out for those. But for the time being, that wraps this up. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. I hope this video series was able to help you out and help you improve your selling skills, or just help you reaffirm what you already know. That being said, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, happy selling, everyone.